want to talk here a little bit about installing new water lines into your house. This right here, this type of water line is called PEX. They have it in two different colors. They have the red and the blue. The red you can use for your hot water line, and the blue you can use for your cold water line. It helps keep you separate. Of course, you can switch those out if you want. There's where they go into the top of the water heater. And this is a new type water line that is popular in use today. You can use PVC, but PVC, if they freeze in the wintertime, the pipes will break. And these PEX, if they freeze, the line will just freeze up. This will expand, get real big, and they tend to not freeze up. And you put them together using these clamps. You have what's called a clamping tool that you use. But anyway, there's where the water line comes into the house, and we have replaced all the water lines in this house here with PEX water line. This PVC up here that you see, that's used for plumbing. That's used for drain lines for your septic system for your plumbing. And you don't have to worry about that freezing up because there's no water that holes in that. Anyway, you can see over there in the very end is where it goes down into the septic system. And this drain line here that I'm showing is for the kitchen sink. And there are the PEX lines going up to the kitchen sink, and it's got a little turn-off valve right there. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. Thanks.